Guess what day it is? It's a Stitch Fix day! Hello YouTube friends, I'm Cindy. This is SincerelyCindiSettle. Thank you so much for checking out my channel today. If you are new here, welcome. I hope that you will consider subscribing if you enjoy unboxings, try-ons, clothing hauls, book reviews, all that good stuff. If you have been here for a while, thank you so much for being here again today and for checking out my Stitch Fix. I look forward to hearing from you guys, seeing what you guys think that I should keep. So let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy. So if you're not familiar with Stitch Fix, I will have details down in the description box. $20 styling fee. Unless you have the Style Pass. The Style Pass is $49.99. They usually send you an email asking you if you are interested in the Style Pass. The Style Pass gives you unlimited styling options. So I usually get once a month, sometimes more than once a month because I do have the Style Pass. But in your box you will have a return envelope for anything that you do not wish to keep. And then you will have your bundles along with an envelope that will have a style note from your stylist, as well as styling cards, which I love. So this gives you an idea of how to wear the items that are in your box. You also will have an invoice here with the names and prices of your items. If you keep all 5 items, you do get a 25% off discount. There is a referral code down below in the description box if you've never tried Stitch Fix and you want to give it a try for the first time. You will get a credit if you use the referral link down below. It's usually about $25. Sometimes it can be as much as $50. Anything that so the styling fee does go towards anything that you wish to keep in your box. So it's not like you're losing that $20 unless you just decide not to keep anything in your box, which has happened before. I just haven't loved anything, and so I do end up losing the styling fee. Not so much for Stitch Fix, because like I said, I do have the Style Pass, but for other subscription boxes that I've done before, I do end up kind of losing that $20 fee because I just don't love anything in the box. And that's kind of where I'm at with my wardrobe. I want to love the items. They have to be comfortable. They have to be sustainable, so I'll wear them for a couple of years. That's kind of my criteria at this point. And they have to be cute and stylish. And I have to love them. So let's dig in. So it looks like I have 2 bundles and I have a pair of shoes. So you do get a style preview with Stitch Fix. So you can get, they'll send you 10 items, I think, and let you choose from those 10 items, 5 of which you want to keep. And then if you're not happy with the items that they send you and you don't like any of the 10 preview items, they will restyle you, send you a new preview, or they will just, you can say, I didn't like any of those items, just send me whatever you can find. This time I did do a second preview. So I just wasn't happy with anything in the first one. So they sent me a second set of items, and I did choose, I want to say, maybe 4 of the 5 of these items. So let's see what we have here. I may have chose all 5 now that I think about it. Let's look through these items. It looks like we have a cute little Shacket here, which if you guys have been watching my channel, you know that I've tried on several different Shackets. This is just a beige collar by Market and Spruce. I do like the buttons on this one. It is just very casual, very soft, very good option for those days when you don't really want a coat, but you want something to wear that's a little cozier over top of your sweaters, shirts, whatever. Then we have a cute little, this is a tank, and I remember choosing this one just because I felt like, I love the romantic look of this. It is a lacier top here, and then it does have the floral. It does have a keyhole in the back. It is a lighter weight shirt that requires a cami or something right now, but moving forward it could easily be worn without a cami. And then they sent me not a cami, a cardigan. You guys knew what I meant. And I also chose this from the preview to go with that particular shirt, this cute little cardigan that's in this like kind of like a peachy cream, I can't talk today, a peachy pink color. It's a quarter length sleeve, and then it does have this cute little crisscross pattern going down the back. It does not have pockets, which is kind of a bummer because pockets and cardigans are like awesome. Then we have a pair of pants. These are a from Democracy. They are like a dress pant. They do have a cute little check design on them as well. Love those. I think they are so cute. I do like Democracy jeans. I don't know that I have any Democracy pants at the moment, so we will give them a try. Maybe I will love them. And then we have some boots. I remember choosing these. No, I didn't choose these. I chose 4 items, and I told my stylist to choose a pair of shoes or pants or something else that they thought would go well with the other items that I chose. That's what I did. So here are a pair of booties. These are very cute, right? So again, if you've been watching my channel, these are not necessarily the boots I've been looking for. I have been looking for a Chelsea type of boot, which I have found. Ding, ding, ding. I got them from Stitch Fix Freestyle. If I remember at the end of the video, I'll pull those out and show you what I ended up getting. But I do like these. These are super cute. Lace up, little bit of like sweater fabric here on the back, little buckle here, little zip closure, very fun. Little bit of a heel, but not too much. So, and I do like the color of these. I don't think I have anything in this color. So, a lot of fun. All right. Let's try some stuff on. I'll be right back. Okay, so I have on the Shacket with just the jeans I had on and the sweater that I had on. So this is a pretty good thicker type of sweater. So this Shacket is very comfortable underneath it. It can button without any problem. It does have pockets, and it is a good neutral color. So I do like it. Just not sure. Not sure that I would wear it very much. Even though I've said I've wanted a Shacket, I'm not sure. I'm not sure that I would wear it. I really need to look in my closet, maybe try it on with a couple other things aside from just a basic. I'm not crazy about how this looks. So maybe with some white or black, I need to maybe look to see if I think that I would really wear it before jumping in to get it. But I do feel like this is a good option in terms of it being neutral and a good fit. It's not too long. It's not too big. It's not oversized by any means. So let me know what you guys think. Like I said, I probably will try it on with something else in my closet that's not as thick as the sweater because whew, it's hot. Which is a good thing, right? If the purpose is to wear it as a jacket. So anyway, but it is a little toasty. So let's talk about the booties. So super cute. I really like these. I think they are very stylish, very cute. The fit is good. They are at 8.5. The heel is just right. They do have a little bit of tread on them, which would make them great this time of year in terms of the weather and snow and that sort of things that we get here in West Virginia from time to time. So let me know what you guys think about these. Do you love them? Do you hate them? This color is great, and the cute little sweater detail on the back is really cute. I like that they're a little bit of a lower heel height as well. All right, moving on. All right, next 3 pieces. So let's talk about the cardigan. I'm not sure that I'm in love with the cardigan. I feel like it looks a little matronly. I'll just be honest. The fit is great. The cute little crisscross detail on the sleeve and in the back is really cute. It is a lighter weight, which would be good with, you know, spring coming up in the next couple months. Just not sure about it. I don't know if it's the color that's throwing me off or the length or exactly what it is. What do you guys think? Maybe once I look back at it, I'll love it. I don't know. But let me get a little bit closer so I can show you the details. So here you can get a good idea of the collar. It is just a cute pale pinkish collar, and you have the crisscross detail there on the sleeves and then down the back. So moving on to the shirt. So I really think this is super cute. I love the floral. I love the lace. I think it is very feminine and romantic. It covers everything underneath the arms, which again, if you guys have been watching me for a little while, that's an issue for me. I can't stand for my bra to be showing underneath here. It does show a little bit, but not to where it's a problem for me. There's not any puckering here at the arms either. So let me get a little bit closer so you can see the collar of this. I don't have anything in my closet in this color. So that's another point that it has for me, is that it's different. So very pretty, kind of like a sea foam green. You do have this lace detail here, going through here as well. A little bit of a keyhole here with the lace in the back as well. And I could wear this to work with or without a cardigan as it starts to get warmer out. So let me know what you guys think about this. All right, so the pants. I am liking the pants as well. So these are Democracy. They do have a button and zipper closure. They are a black and white kind of check look to them. They do have pockets. They are a little bit on the shorter side, kind of like an ankle length capri. So I'm a little stumped on what shoes I might wear. Maybe my heels. Those would be cute probably. So let me show you guys that. As you know, I do like your all's feedback when it comes to footwear. So they're not super short. I mean, they're not a capri. They're just kind of hitting right above the ankle. And I feel like these are very neutral, that I could get a lot of use out of them. And I feel like the fit is great. They're not too tight like a legging. They're more of like a slack type of pant. So let me know what you guys think. And what would you pair with these pants? Would you wear this top with it? Would you wear more of a neutral top with it? What are your thoughts? Give me all of the details. So that felt like a very quick Stitch Fix video. I'm sorry. I don't know. I felt like I gave you all the details and everything, but it just felt really fast. So let's talk about some of these items. So I really like this. Let me know what you guys think. This is by Mason and Belle. It is only $44. So this is probably going to stay with me. I did really like this. I love that it's soft and romantic. And then we have the Democracy pants. That's these here. They are $88. A little bit higher than what I would like to pay, but I think that's kind of par for the course for Democracy. I am going to look online because Democracy, they do have those online and on Amazon sometimes. And I will price match because Stitch Fix will price match. Thank you all for giving me that reminder when I forget to mention it here, because I always do have a tendency to look for items online before I purchase, I do have a tendency to look for things online before I purchase them from Stitch Fix, because sometimes you can find them a little bit cheaper. And I always forget to mention that Stitch Fix will price match. It's kind of like an afterthought. And you guys always remind me. So thank you very much. So here we have the Shacket. It is $88 as well. I'm not sure that I love it. I just don't know. I just don't know that I would wear it very much. And then we have the cardigan. This is all jacked up on here, I'm sorry. The cardigan is super cute. I'm not sure about the tail in the back. I don't know if you guys noticed that. I don't know what to call that, a tail, the split tail there at the back. This is in blush. It is also $44. Reasonable price. Again, I kind of felt like it looked matronly. So let me know what you guys think. Maybe I'm thinking too much into that. Then we have the boots, which I do like as well. They are an 8.5 and they are $79.99. They are by Mia. I'm not sure that Mia is available anywhere else, but I am going to check because I do like those. So sometimes when you know you're going to keep several items, you do have to do some Stitch Fix math to see if it's just beneficial to keep it all and get an item for free. So I am considering 3 of the items, the pants, the tank, and the boots. So the total is $343.99 with my discount taking off $86. That brings my total to $257.99. I don't know that I want to spend that. So I may only choose, I don't know. I may just keep the pants and the tank and send back the shoes. Sometimes the shoes and stuff will go on sale on Stitch Fix and maybe I can find them that way. Maybe. Let me know what you think. Let me know if there were any favorites. Let me know if I just need to keep all of it. And what your thoughts were. But I thought my stylist did a good job for being a new stylist for me. I'm very happy with the choices here. I look forward to hearing from you guys. I will see you guys again soon with another unboxing, some book reviews. Maybe I'll just get on here and talk about life. I don't know. What do you guys want to hear about? What do you want to know about? I am going to do some swimsuit reviews. I might even pick up some swimsuits at Target tomorrow. It is January 21st. So those reviews may be coming. I did see that Taryn Denise already has her swimsuit video, Target swimsuit video up. I think she posted it like a week ago. So I may go ahead and get started with those. So let me know what you think. I will see you guys again soon. I am Sincerely Cindy Settle and I'm signing out. Mwah.